Hey YouTube, it's Miss Brown Sugar 0104, and I'm coming at you today with a very quick video of a snack, a really quick snack that I really love. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Basically what it is just, you know how you eat tuna fish and crackers? Well, I'm not going to use tuna fish, I'm going to use chicken. And what I did was, I know you can't see in the pot, but what I did was, I just boiled some boneless chicken tenderloins. So they're about that big. I just boiled them in some chicken bouillon. I'm going to go ahead and chop them up. Really good. They're still really hot. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming off of that. And my food chopper is just really my food chopper is really small. It's only a 3-cup food chopper. So, I'll just do a little bit at a time because I don't want it to get, like, stuck. Yeah. Because you don't need a really big, fancy food chopper. I don't really know if that's what the name of it is. You know, a big one is probably not called a food chopper. It's probably called a food processor or something else. But this is actually called a food chopper, that literally. And you don't need no big fancy one to achieve this dish. Or snack anyway. All you need is a little $5, $10 one to get the job done. It will get the job done, trust me. I'm just going to empty this because I seem to have a lot in there now. I just have a regular size bowl. I'm going to put it in here. Put that back on and we're going to chop some more. Hold on. I want to get all this goodness out of here. I want to get it all. I hope y'all can see this. Okay. We're going to put the blade back on. We're going to keep going. Yeah, like I was saying, you don't need no big fancy food processor. It's because this one is just by Savannah. Let me show you if you can see that. And I got this from Walgreens. And I paid $15 for it. I had another one. I had it already. Here goes my old one. See? This is my new one. This is my old one. But I think when I moved, hubby didn't pack the top. So it won't operate without the top. So I had to buy another one. So anyway. And this is a good healthy snack too. And it's wholesome because we're using like real chicken. You could use a cut up chicken breast if you have a chicken breast. You cut that up, boil it till it's done. Like I said, I just used, only thing I boiled it with was a little bit of chicken bouillon. This is chicken bouillon, but it's just, it's in packs. So I used 2 of these in the pot with the chicken. so hope you can see this. My chicken is still smoking, guys. It's still hot, which is good. I'm going to take this with me to work, y'all. Oops. My kids snack on this when they get hungry. And it's just a healthier alternative. I guess it's healthy. A healthy alternative to like chocolates and chips and all that kind of crap. Okay, so throw this in the washer. And I'm gonna come back with my rag. We're done with this, y'all. For now. It's done its job, and we're just gonna wipe a little bit. Okay. The pot liquor from the chicken that we boiled, we don't need it. We're gonna discard it. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get a nice size bowl, big enough for us to mix in. I guess this would be okay. Just a regular bowl. I'm gonna dump this in here because this is good enough to store it, but it's not big enough to mix. Actually, this might not be big enough either. Jeez, I made a lot. Oh, sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm going to use this bowl. Definitely big enough to mix. Okay, no problem. Yeah, see, it's just the chicken in there. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to add, you see how finely your chicken chopped up to be? It chopped up really, really nice. Okay, I have to put this down to finish, y'all. So now what I'm going to do is add some milk. I'm using Hellman's with olive oil. You can use whatever you like. You know, whatever floats your boat. I'm just going to rinse this spoon off real quick since it has chicken particles on it. Even though it's cooked, I just don't want chicken particles floating in my meal. So, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Oh, that's too much. I don't measure, guys. And I'm going to mix this up. Now, you know what else? What I like to add to this? I like regular salt. Just some regular salt to taste. I like to add a little black pepper. Black pepper. And I'm going to add some onion powder. Clearly I'm running out, y'all. I have to go to the store. Get that together. Now you could, if you wanted to, listen. If you wanted to, you could use your same food chopper and chop up some onions and peppers. Get some onions and peppers, cut them in quarters, and chop them up in the food processor and mix that in with this. I don't eat onions and peppers though. And for the most part, the kids don't eat it either. I mean, my daughter eats it, but my daughter eats it probably only because, you know, my husband used to eat that stuff. And even when he was here, I had him trained. We're not eating no onions. We're gonna use some onion powder. Give you the illusion. Yeah, so you mix that up real good, or whatever. See how it's starting to get, this is the consistency you want. Because this is going on crackers, y'all. We're just going to spread it on our crackers. We get some whole wheat crackers. You could even use light mayonnaise, or fat-free, or whatever. I choose to use with olive oil. But yeah, this is how you want it. And I really like the flavor of onion. I love the flavor of onion, but I don't like the texture. So I'm going to put some more onion powder, because I really like onion. I'm just not eating no onions. And I like it a lot of a little kick to it. So I'm going to put a little more black pepper. And maybe a little more salt. Yeah, it's whatever you like, you know? I'm just doing what I like. Because even though you cooked it in 2 packs of bouillon, and that is kind of salty, it really you really still have to re-season it once it's done. I mean, I don't know. You could try tasting it, you know, before you chop it up, or you know, just mix it up like this, taste it, and then add whatever seasons you want. Yep, and that's done. I'm going to take this, put it back in my little bowl that I can carry to work. People at my job they go crazy when I make this. They like it. It's a good snack. And it doesn't look too great, but it tastes great. My kids love it. They snack on this all night. Now, we're just going to clean up the edges and stuff. Actually, I should have used a paper towel. Clean up the edges of my bowl. I'm going to add a little parsley just for presentation. That's it and that's all, y'all. That is it and that is all. Now you just want to get you your cracker of choice. Here I come, just put my mail back. Hold on, y'all. You want to get your cracker of choice. And there you have it, my snack for lunch. Put a lid on this, my crackers on top. I'm about to be out the door, family. See y'all later.